kiombe kwegerera abakora emirimo b'eki university kusu nigo bemurunganeirie chibesa chiria bakonachwa erio chiabekwa ensemo ase obutumiki bw'amatukare busiogose savings asikere batebire muna chibesa echo nigo chire echiekerengo kia iguru mono echo chitabwatie eng'encho nabono nigo baganirie serikali koenekia buna nkobabwataniere erio barwe ebirengerere byabo kobwatikana nekerengo gie chibesa keria baganetie chibe chikonachwa.
The matter of concern, and which is a national issue at the moment, is the issue of the proposed increase of the pension contributions by the members of staff within the public service sector. The members that we represent are public servants, and therefore the decree proposed by the government is directly going to affect workers within all our public universities besides the entire larger public service. And we want to state right from the onset that the proposed increment of 6%, we are not opposed to it per se. In any case, the 200 shillings that is currently being contributed by public servants is a pale shadow in terms of saving for the post-retirement life